Want to sneak in some veggies for the kids? This carrot chutney is the trick. Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Welcome to today's special episode of 30 days 30 veg side dishes. And we have for you carrot chutney. This is mildly sweet, full of flavor and goes lovely with your idlis and dosas. For this we need very simple ingredients. I have taken 1 carrot, 1 onion, 2 dry red chilies, a small piece of tamarind and 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Heat a spoon of oil. Add the urad dal and dry red chilies. Stir fry them in the oil. Roast it till the dal is golden. Next, add in the chopped onion and also the grated carrot. Saute it till the onions and carrots are slightly soft. The onions and the carrots have become slightly soft now. We can switch this off. Allow it to cool down to room temperature. When cool, add it to your blender jar. Add a small piece of tamarind. Salt to taste. Add water and grind it into a colorful chutney. Let's do a simple tadka. Heat a teaspoon of oil. Add in some mustard seeds. Add in a few curry leaves and pour this simple tadka over the carrot chutney. So, we'll serve this colorful and tasty carrot chutney along with the soft dosas. This chutney has got slight sweetness from carrot and spice from chili. Perfect combo. You can pair this chutney with your chapatis too. Pack it in your lunch box and your children will really enjoy this tasty goodness. Tune in tomorrow for our next episode of 30 days 30 veg side dish recipes. I hope you have been enjoying all the recipes so far. Thanks for watching Gita's Kitchen and please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.